guys, so I just received this gorgeous dish rack set. This comes with everything you need to wash a sink full of dishes plus more. So it comes with a few different pieces, but the setup is so simple and you get clear and concise instructions. So let me show you how easy it is to set up. First, you're gonna take your bottom rack, which is your larger piece, and attach these to the side. So when you attach this, you're going to want to put the outside piece and it's going to hook into the bar right here where these curved pieces are. So you're just gonna take this and loop it through and pull it up, and this piece right here should be facing inwards. The curve should be facing inward on your dish rack. You're going to do the same thing with the other side. Then next you're going to take your top dishwasher rack and hook it into the hooks that are on top. And you have 2 steps already installed. It has a drain spout and it will install on the bottom of your water basin. And all you need to do is press it on there, and you can freely move this to whatever angle you want. Plus, this extends. So if you need it a little bit longer or shorter based on where your dish rack is to your sink. So I love the options and the features that this has for this drain spout. Then your dish rack will just sit right on top of this, and the water will easily drain back into your sink. This is great. You don't have any water messes or drainage that is happening on your countertops, keeping your counters super clean. And lastly, you have a spot for cups that will just hook right onto the back right here, and a spot for utensils. So there's 3 different spots. What is great about your utensil holder is that it also has a drain spout. So this will go directly into the water reservoir container and back into the sink. And fully installed, this is what it looks like. It literally took me under a minute to get it put together and ready to go. In addition, they also send you a super plush and absorbent drying mat. So if you have large dishes, pots, pans, or bakeware, you can pull this out and have the extra space to dry all of your large dishes. So with this, I didn't need any screws. I didn't need to drill any holes. This literally just, like I said, it took under a minute. You just have to hook a couple things together and you are ready to go. Overall, this dish rack can hold 10 plates, 14 bowls, a ton of utensils. It has a space for 4 cups, and you can even store cookie trays or cutting boards on here.